fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for whale. X for Zalin. Y for yak. Z for zebra. One.
2 3
Question. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Hello, kids. I am A. This is an apple. Hello, kids. I am B. This is a ball. Hello, kids. I am C. This is a cat. Hello, kids. I am D. This is a duck. Hello, kids. I am E. This is an elephant. Hello, kids. I am F. This is a fish. Hello, kids. I am G. These are grapes. Hello, kids. I am H. This is a hen. Hello, kids. I am I. This is an ice cream. Hello, kids. I am J. This is juice. Hello, kids. I am K. This is a kite. Hello, kids. I am L. This is a lion. Hello, kids. I am M. This is a mango. Hello, kids. I am N. This is a nest. Hello, kids. I am O. This is an orange. Hello. Hello, kids. I am P. This is a parrot. Hello, kids. I am Q. This is a queen. Hello, kids. I am R. This is a rabbit. Hello, kids. I am S. This is the sun. Hello, kids. I am T. This is a tiger. Hello, kids. I am U. This is an umbrella. Hello, kids. I am V. This is a van. Hello, kids. I am W. This is a watch. Hello, kids. I am X. This is a xylophone. Hello, kids. I am Y. This is a yo-yo. Hello, kids. I am Z. This is a zebra. Circle! Which one is a circle?
5 4 3 2 1
Square! Which one is a square?
5 4, 3, 2, 1.
Triangle. Which one is a triangle?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rectangle. Which one is a rectangle?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oval. Which one is an oval?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Star. Which one is a star?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Heart. Which one is a heart?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hexagon. Which one is a hexagon?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pentagon. Which one is a pentagon?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Octagon. Which one is an octagon?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rhombus. Which one is a rhombus?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.